Today we are going to learn simple everyday Nigerian pidgin English sentence. Lesson 1. I dey come. This sentence in English means I am coming. Lesson 2. Where you dey go? This sentence in English means where are you going? Lesson 3. Who dey there? This sentence in English means who is there? Lesson 4. Now tomorrow I dey go. This sentence in English means I'm going tomorrow. Lesson 5. How you take know say na me? This sentence in English means how did you know it was me? Lesson 6. Now you cause am. This sentence in English means you caused it. Lesson 7. How we go take do this thing now? This sentence in English means how can we pull this off? That is today's lesson. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.